7:30 a.m. I just got up. I'm gonna go grab coffee and run some quick errands, and I'm taking you guys with me. Let's do this. I'm really looking forward to a super chill weekend. My boyfriend just went to play soccer, and while he's playing soccer, I'm gonna go do some yoga. We're gonna meet up at a coffee shop to get some work done together. And yeah, I am so excited for this weekend, guys. It's been a long week. My parents were in town, they just left, and there has been a lot of catching up with work and other things going on. I'm also getting ready to leave to Europe for a month trip, so that's exciting. I'm gonna be gone most of February. I'm gonna do some skiing while in Europe. I'm really looking forward to that. Back home and do some journaling, and I'm gonna grab my yoga mat and go do some yoga, and after that I am going to one of my Airbnbs. Then I have to respond to some emails and get some work done, and then hopefully we'll grab some lunch after. So looking forward to taking you guys with me today. I'm just gonna moisturize my face before I go to the gym. I'm gonna be using La Roche-Posay. I buy this in Europe. I think I can buy it here as well, but I buy a lot of my stuff in Europe anyways. And then I'm gonna be using my Aqua moisturizer. It's fresh watery cream from Nature Republic. I bought this in Korea and I fell in love with this moisturizer. It's absorbing and smells fantastic. It smells like one of those Hermes perfumes. I went to the steam room last night, so my skin needs extra hydration today. I'll massage my forehead a little bit. Like in anything else, you have to be really consistent to see good results. Also today I am wearing my aloe bottoms. I'm wearing my Aspen hoodie, just so cozy, and that's it. Let's do this. Some journaling every day, and I started journaling about 2 months ago, and I said it's one of those habits I have to incorporate in my own life. I feel so much better after I journal in the morning. I feel more efficient, I feel more productive, I feel more aligned with myself and my own beliefs and my own values. I write one thing I'm grateful for, I write my daily affirmations, and I write what I want to manifest. I write my manifestations. I have to make another video just about that, how journaling has really improved my life, and I highly recommend for everyone to start journaling on a daily basis. I do it first thing in the morning. Usually I do it right after I wake up. I meditate and then I journal, and it really sets me up for success on that day, and I feel great. When I don't journal, it rarely happens, but life gets busy, things happen, you travel here and there. When I don't journal, I just don't feel as alive as I feel when I journal. I am walking to my gym for yoga class. I just got to one of my Airbnbs and I'm doing my weekly errands, checking up what's going on with the units, seeing what needs to be done, what needs to be taken care of, if I need to buy any supplies, and if there's any work pending to do. And when I got here, I realized that this was flimsy, so I got my tools and I'm here to fix it. And here's a quick look of the unit. If you're interested in seeing, this is the kitchen. We did a remodel recently. This is one bedroom. So my friend recently opened up a salon and I'm going to get a facial from her today and I'm taking you guys with me. After my spa treatment, I'm gonna go home and start getting ready for dinner. I have a date with my boyfriend. It's our 10th month anniversary and we're gonna go to a restaurant where we had our first date. So how romantic is that? Then we're gonna go to Lafayette to check out the new hotel and grab some drinks there. I'm getting a theme facial because it is Valentine's Day.